Mastering Bandsaw Basics, Proper Setup Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic for all woodworking enthusiasts: proper bandsaw setup. Whether you're a beginner or have been using bandsaws for a while, setting up your bandsaw correctly is crucial for safety and achieving those precise cuts. Let's ensure you get the most out of your bandsaw with a proper setup. Before we start tweaking and adjusting, it's important to understand the basic components of your bandsaw. The bandsaw consists of a blade looped around two wheels, one of which is powered to rotate and cut through material. Key components include the blade, guide blocks, table, and tension mechanism. Each plays a crucial role in the operation of your bandsaw. Selecting the right blade is the first step in proper bandsaw setup. Blades vary in width, tooth design, and material, each suited for different types of cuts and materials. For intricate cuts, a narrow blade with more teeth per inch is ideal. For straight cuts or resawing, a wider blade will give you better stability and accuracy. Proper blade tension is essential for accurate cuts and the longevity of your blade. Too much tension can cause premature wear, while too little can result in inaccurate cuts. Adjust the tension according to the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific blade width. Blade tracking is about adjusting the wheels to ensure the blade runs smoothly in the center. With the bandsaw turned off, rotate the wheels by hand and adjust the tracking knob until the blade stays centered on the wheel. Guide blocks support the blade just above and below the table, keeping it straight during a cut. Adjust the blocks so they are close to the blade but not touching it, allowing for smooth operation without friction. The table should be perfectly square to the blade for accurate cuts. Use a square to check this alignment and adjust the table angle if necessary. This ensures your cuts are perfectly vertical. Before starting your project, always perform a safety check. Ensure all guards are in place, and the area is clear of obstructions. Make a few test cuts on scrap material to verify that the saw is cutting accurately and the setup is correct. Congratulations! You've just learned how to properly set up your bandsaw. Remember, taking the time to set up your bandsaw correctly not only ensures your safety but also helps achieve those perfect cuts every time. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in your woodworking projects. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.